Near a sparkling blue river lived a small turtle named Toby. Toby was kind, gentle, and hardworking. But there was one thing that made him sad. He was very slow. Every day, the other animals raced past him. The rabbits jumped quickly through the grass. The deer ran gracefully through the forest. Even the squirrels climbed trees faster than Toby could walk. Some animals laughed at him. You will never reach anywhere at that speed. Toby tried to smile, but deep inside the words hurt him. One morning, the wise old eagle announced exciting news. At the top of the great hill grows the golden fruit. Whoever reaches it will receive the jungle medal of courage. The animals cheered loudly. Everyone wanted to win. Even Toby quietly whispered, I want to try too. The other animals laughed immediately. A turtle reached the great hill? But Toby ignored them. He took one deep breath and slowly began his journey. The path was difficult. Heavy rain soaked the ground. Strong winds shook the trees. Sharp rocks hurt Toby's tiny feet. Many fast animals gave up halfway. The rabbits became tired. The deer lost hope. But Toby kept moving. Step by step, up we climb. One small step at just the right time. Never stop, don't give in. Brave hearts always find a win. As night fell, Toby finally reached the top of the great hill. There, glowing beneath the moonlight, was the beautiful golden fruit. The wise eagle smiled proudly. You may not have been the fastest, but you were the bravest. The jungle animals stared in amazement. For the first time, they understood Toby's strength. Toby smiled warmly. I learned something important. Never stop believing in yourself, even when others doubt you. The animals cheered loudly, and from that day onward, nobody ever laughed at Toby again. And so, the jungle learned an important lesson. Success does not always belong to the fastest. Sometimes it belongs to the one who never gives up. Please like, share, and subscribe Wonder Tail Box. See you in the next episode.